ಹಲೋ ಹಲೋ
ಹಲೋ,
ಹಲೋ
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸರ್?
ಹಲೋ
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸರ್?
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ. ಅದು ಏನೋ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿತ್ತು. ಈಗ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯಾ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್,
ನಮ್ಮ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಟೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ವೈ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3z is equal to 12. 2x minus y plus 3z equal to 12. Next, 2x plus y minus z is equal to 2. X plus 3y plus z is equal to 8. This is what we actually did.
Yes, sir.
So you take the next problem. 2x plus 3y
ಸರ್ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಸರ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್.
ಅದೇ that we already done last time. So you take the next problem. 2x plus 3y.
ಸರ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು. ಇವಾಗ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ.
ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಾ?
ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಹಿಂದಿಂದು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು.
ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನ?
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಸರ್, ನೀವು ಇವಾಗ ಹೇಳಿದ 2 ಸಮ್ಮು ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ನಾವು.
ಹೌದಾ? ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ. ದೆನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ another one. What about this? 3x plus 4y minus 5z is equal to 12.
ಇದು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Three x plus 4y minus 5z is equal to 12. 4y minus 3x 4y minus 3x plus 5z is equal to 4. 5z plus 3y minus 2x is equal to 5. See, what is important is, if you see the question, it is not in the standard form. So first we have to rewrite it in the standard form. Then only you start solving the problem. Don't straight away do it. That is what I am giving. Now, are you listening to some background music?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is it affecting the what we are talking?
No, sir.
Then it is okay. So how will you rewrite?
First we will write as it is, sir. 3x
Yeah,
plus 4y
Yeah, because there is no change.
minus 5z is equal to 12.
Yeah, you write it in the same fashion.
Then
Next.
minus 3x
Correct.
minus 4y.
Not minus 4y, it is plus.
Sorry, plus 4y
Ah,
plus 5z
ah,
is equal to 4.
correct. Very good.
Next minus 2x
Correct.
plus 3y plus 5z
Ah,
is equal to 5.
correct. So once you write that, there will be no problem. See, when you change here, this 4y, the positive sign will be here to the left of it. And unsigned
Yes,
number
sir.
unsigned number is always positive.
Yes,
So
sir.
therefore, this will be also plus, this will be also plus.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Once you write it in the standard form, you use the normal procedure so that we can solve the problem.
Now we should find out delta.
Correct, very good. First step is we find the delta.
Three minus 3 minus 2, 4, 4, 3
Correct.
minus 5, 5, 5.
Correct, very good.
N delta is equal to 3 into 4, 4, 5, 5.
Tell me again.
3 into 4, 4, 5, 5.
Where is 4, 4?
The second column.
No, but 3 into 3 is...
4, 3. 4, 3, sorry.
That is why. Otherwise...
4, 3, 5, 5. Then 4 into...
What for?
4 into...
There is a minus sign coming there in the formula.
Minus 4 into...
Minus within bracket 4 into, yeah.
Minus 4 into... minus 3 minus 2, 5, 5.
Where is minus 2 is there, correct? No, there is no minus. 3 minus 3 minus 2, 5, 5, correct. Then?
Plus of minus 5 into...
very good.
Minus 3 minus 2, 4, 3.
Correct, very good.
Delta is equal to 3 into flower bracket 4 into 5 minus 3 into 5 close the flower bracket minus 4 into open the flower bracket minus 3 into 5 minus 2 into 5 then again plus of minus 5 into open the flower bracket minus 3 into minus 3 into 3 minus 2 into 4.
Correct.
Delta is equal to 3 into 4 5s are 20. 20 minus 15 minus 4 into minus 3 into 5 minus 15 Then again minus of 2 into 5 minus 10. And again minus 10. Close the flower bracket. Plus of minus 5 is minus 5. So we will take it as minus 5 into 3 into 3, 9, minus 9. Minus 2 into 4, 8, minus 8. Then again we should simplify.
There is another minus is there, no?
Yes, sir.
Minus is in the formula.
Last minus 5 into summale 3 minus ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
3 ಅಂಗಲ್ಲ ಲೆಕ್ಕ. See, each term you have to take. Minus 5.
Minus 9 into ಇವಾಗ 3 into 5 ಇತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್? ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಅಲ್ಲ, 3 into 3 ಇತ್ತು. ಅದು minus 9 ಆಯ್ತು. minus 3 into 3 ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ. minus 2 into 4 ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ minus 8 ಆಯ್ತು.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ there is another minus sign between them, no?
Sir.
See, numbers on the principal diagonal product minus product of the numbers on the secondary diagonal. So that minus is, that there is a minus in the formula.
ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತು ಸರ್.
You have to write that also.
ಸರ್ ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್.
minus 5 into minus 3 into 3
is minus 9.
ಅದು ಈಗಲೇ ಬರೀಬೇಡಿ. Then minus ಅಲ್ಲಿ within bracket minus 2 into 4. minus 2 into 4.
ಅದು ಬರ್ದಾಯ್ತು ಸರ್.
So minus 2 into 4 will become 8 and that minus of that minus 8 will be plus 8 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. So 3 into 20 minus 15 is 5. Minus 4 into minus 5 minus 5 into minus 1. Forty alva sir answer.
Correct.
Delta x ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. ಸರ್ 120 ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಎಕ್ಸ್?
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
हेडफोन चार्ज करको हेडफोन हाको
18 ఆన్సర్ డెల్టా వై 80 డెల్టా వై 18 ఆన్సర్
కరెక్ట్ ಹಲೋ,
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಇದು
ಹಾ ಹೇಳಿ.
ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್.
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ದಿಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ is 3x plus 4y plus 5z equal to 12.
Yes, sir.
First one. It is not minus, it is plus. Because I was also trying to work out
ಯಾವುದು ಸರ್? 4
equation what you have written now.
ಹಾ
3 equations ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ.
ಹಾ
The first equation
ಹಾ.
is 3x plus 4y plus 5z equal to 12. It is not minus here.
ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾ 5 ಹತ್ರ?
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್, ಹೌದು, ಈ ಜಾಗ ಪ್ಲಸ್.
ಸರಿ.
ಸೊ ಅದು ತಿರ್ಗಾ ರಿವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಯು ಡನ್ ಸಮ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ದೇರ್.
ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಝೆಡ್ ವರ್ಗೂ ಬಂದಿದೆ.
ಬಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್, ಬಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ದೇರ್. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಝೆಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು?
ಇನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ.
ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಝೆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
-88 ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಝೆಡ್.
ಯಾವುದು?
ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಝೆಡ್ -88.
-88 ಬರೋಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಆಸ್ 40.
40 ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಸರ್? ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ತಪ್ಪಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್? ಅದು ತಪ್ಪಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿರೋದು?
ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರೀ ಇದೆ? ಇದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಝೆಡ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ?
-88.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದು 40 ಬರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ.
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಸರ್. ಇದೇನೋ 88 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
ಅದೇ 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 ನಾನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ 80 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಏನು ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಆಗಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು.
ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ವೈ 80 ಬಂತು.
ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ವೈ 80 ಬರಬೇಕು.
ಅದು ಬಂತು ಸರ್.
ಹಾ,
ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಝೆಡ್ -88 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅದು
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದು 40 ಬರಬೇಕು.
ನಿಮ್ಗೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬಂತ ಸರ್?
ಹಾ,
ನಿಮ್ಗೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬಂತ?
ನನಗಿದು ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. ಈಗ ತಿರುಗಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ನಾನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ವೈ ನಿಮಗೆ 80 ಬಂದರೆ ಇದು 40 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲದ್ರೆ ಅದು ತಪ್ಪಿರುತ್ತೆ.
ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಣ ಇದು ಸರ್.
ಅದೇ ಅದೇ ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ವೈ 80 ಕರೆಕ್ಟು. ಸೊ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಝೆಡ್ಡು ಅದು 2 ಬಂದಮೇಲೆ ಇದು 40 ಬರಬೇಕು.
40 ಬಂತು ಸರ್.
ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಝೆಡ್ 40 ಬರಬೇಕು.
ಅಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಂತ?
ಈಗ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ. ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ಅವಾಗ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಗೇನ್. ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಝೆಡ್ 40 ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಂದೇ ತಪ್ಪು ಸರ್. ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಮುಂಚೆ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ, ಸರ್ ಬಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡೌಟ್ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇದಾಗಿದೆಯಾ ನೋಡಿದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಝೆಡ್ 40 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು ಹೇಳಿ?
ಫಸ್ಟು ದೆನ್ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಝೆಡ್ ಇಂದ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್.
ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಝೆಡ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೇಳಿ.
ದೆನ್ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಝೆಡ್ ಇಂದ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. 3 × 4 3 4 5. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ 4 3, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ 4 5. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್?
ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಝೆಡ್ಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ -4 ಇಂಟು -3 2 4 5. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ +12 ಇಂಟು -3 2 4 5 4 3 4
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ 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 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಝೆಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 3 ಇಂಟು ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ 4 ಇಂಟು 5 - 3 ಇಂಟು 4.
ಯಾವ್ದು?
ದೆನ್ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಝೆಡ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಅದೇ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಝೆಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 3 ಇಂಟು 4 ಇಂಟು 5 - 3 ಇಂಟು 4.
3 ಇಂಟು
4 ಇಂಟು 5 - 3 ಇಂಟು 4.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
-4 ಇಂಟು -3 ಇಂಟು 5 - 2 ಇಂಟು 4.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
-3 ಇಂಟು 5 - 2 ಇಂಟು 4. +12 ಇಂಟು -3 ಇಂಟು 3 - 2 ಇಂಟು 4.
ಹಾ
ಅದಾಯ್ತಲ್ವ ಸರ್. ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಝೆಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 3 ಇಂಟು 4 5 20.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಹೇಳಿ, ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿದೆ.
ಏನ್ ಸರ್?
3 ಇಂಟು
ಹಾ
4 ಇಂಟು 5
ಹಾ
minus 3 into 4.
ಹಾ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸರ್.
Then minus 4 into minus 3 into 5 ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಹಾ
ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಫ್ minus 2 into 4.
ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಫ್ -2 ನಾ?
ಹಾ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ.
ಇವಾಗ -4 ಇಂಟು
ಹಾ
ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ,
ಹಾಕ್ತಿವಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ
-3 ಇಂಟು 5
minus 3 into 5 ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಮೈನಸ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ 2 ಇಂಟು 4,
ಆಮೇಲೆ minus 2 into 4. See, you have to multiply the numbers on the principal diagonal minus you have to write the product of the numbers on the secondary diagonal.
ಹಾ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸರ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ನಾನೇ ತಪ್ಪು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ.
ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದ ಅದು ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಸರ್. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಸರ್, ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸರ್, ಇದು ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಝೆಡ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
ಹೇಳಿ.
3 ಇಂಟು 8 -4 ಇಂಟು -7 ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್?
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
+12 ಇಂಟು -17 +12 ಇಂಟು -17.
ರಾಂಗ್
ರಾಂಗ್ ಸರ್.
ಅಲ್ಲಾಗ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 12 ಇಂಟು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಮೈನಸ್ +12 ಇಂಟು 17 ಆಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಸರ್ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಸರ್, ಇದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸರ್. +12 ಇಂಟು -3 ಇಂಟು 3 -3 ಇಂಟು 3 -2 ಇಂಟು 4.
ಅಲ್ಲೇನೆ ಅದೇ ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ forgetting the formula minus sign. See, 12 into
-2 ಬರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ the formula has minus. -3 into 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. then minus of ತಿರ್ಗಾ -2 into 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. because multiply the numbers on the principal diagonal minus multiply the numbers on the secondary diagonal.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು.
So that is why I told you to enclose the numbers in the bracket so that you will not miss the negative sign. Otherwise, you write minus 2 into 4. It will become wrong. Minus 2 into
40 ಬಂತು.
40 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಡನ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ 2 times ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೆ. ಅದೇ ಆಗೈತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ನೀವು 88 ಅಂದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ದೆನ್ ಐ ಥಾಟ್ ದರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್.
ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಲೆಟ್ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಝೆಡ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ 3 minus 3 plus 2 ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ.
ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ if you miss any one number, the answer will come wrong. So it will not affect all the thing, but one of them it will affect. ಇಲ್ಲಿ +2 ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ when you find delta, you should get wrong answer.
ಅದೇ ಸರ್,
ಡೆಲ್ಟಾದಲ್ಲೇ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ನೀವು ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಹೌ ಯು ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್, ಬಟ್ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ XL it won't affect because that is replaced by the 1245.
ಅದೇ
So actually I tried 2 times, then only put the answers there. When you said 88, I thought whether I have done the mistake or problem there is wrong. Then problem is also correct. Now you find what is XYZ.
ಸರ್ 3 2 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
Correct. Now you substitute in the given equation and see whether you get the answer. You can take the original set of equation itself.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂತು ಸರ್. RHS
ಹಾ
1245.
So you take this problem. 2u plus 4w plus z is equal to 12. u plus 4w plus z is equal to 12. 2v plus 3w 2v plus 3w plus z is equal to 3. 4w plus 2v plus u is equal to 12. 3z plus 5u minus 3v equal to 1. So there are 4 variables u, v, w, z.
Yes, sir.
So you have to rewrite in standard form, and wherever a letter is missing, you have to take it as 0 times of that.
Yes, sir.
So for example, first one, there is no v here. So you have to write 2u plus 0v plus 4w plus z.
Yes, sir.
Then second one, u is not there, so it is 0 into u plus 2v, then 3w and z.
Yes, sir.
Then here u is there, you have to write it first, v is second, 4w will come at the third place, then 0z will come,
Yes, sir.
plus 0z. So here u will go to the first place, minus 3v second, then 0w, then 3z.
Yes.
So this one, you have to write it into the standard form like this.
Oh, okay. 2u plus 0v
Because v
plus
is not there in the
4w.
first one. Whatever is missing, you can call it as
0v
plus 0 into
plus
that.
2v 3w plus z is equal to 3 plus 4w plus 3u 3v plus 0w 3z is equal to 1. Okay, sir.
Now find delta u.
Delta bedwa, sir.
First delta you have to find.
हाँ.
So all u's are in one column, v's are in the second column, w's are in the third column, z is in the last column.
अब ನಾವು ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಎರಡೆರಡು ಸರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್?
First you have to write delta. Write the delta.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಎರಡು ಸರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
First you have to find delta. So delta is equal to, you write.
ಅದು 4 ಇಂದ 3 ಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, 3 ಇಂದ 2 ಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು.
Correct. So delta is equal to, first ಏನು ಬರೆದ್ರಾ?
delta is equal to 2015
Correct.
022 minus 3
Correct.
4340
Correct.
1103.
Correct. Correct.
No.
Now
Sir,
you're
next thing madam sir.
next step. Next step. First expansion means you write the number in the first row, first column, and ignore first row, first column. Write the remaining
ಅದೇ
things as
2
it is.
into 2 minus 3 340 103 ಆ ತರ.
Exactly. Exactly. Numbers correct ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ is simple ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ. Otherwise, if you write wrong, you will get wrong. Then you write minus 0 into for the second item.
ಸರ್ ಬರೀ 0 ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, in the formula you have to expand, no?
ಅದೇ.
First one you have got the 2 into this much. Next it is minus 0 into the determinant, ignoring the row and column in which the 0 is there. That means you will write 015 340 103.
103.
Then you will have
Again,
plus sign
1 into
plus 4.
plus 4 into
Leave the first row and the third column.
yes sir. 015 22 minus 3 103.
Correct. Then there is minus sign in the formula. Coefficient is 1. 1 multiplied by, leave the first row, last column.
015 22 minus 3 340.
Now this each 3 by 3 you take separately, calculate and
2 by 2.
write the answer there. You can call them as delta A, delta B, delta C, delta D ಅಂತ ಕರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. Let delta A equal to, you write only the 2 minus 3 340 103. You call it as delta A. Find out that answer. So you have to do that 4 times. Delta B is equal to, delta C is equal to, delta D is equal to. Then that answer you write there, then multiply, you get the answer. Here to reduce the work, the second item, 0 into something has come there. So 0 into anything is 0, so therefore that you don't have to calculate.
Okay.
So that means you have to find out delta A, delta B, delta C only.
Okay.
Ready? Delta, actually ABCD if you write, delta B you don't have to calculate.
Yes sir.
You have to write delta C, delta D. Delta A, delta C, delta D.
Okay.
But for practice purpose you can calculate delta B also. There is no confusion. Practice also will come. 0 into that will be 0, that we can write later. So for practice purpose you find all the 4.
ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಇದು -6 ತಾನೆ ಸರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಇದು -6 ತಾನೆ ಸರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್.
ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಏನಾ?
ಹಾ,
ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು?
-6.
ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಎ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿ?
ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ 2 × 4003
ಹಾ
-3 × 2 - 303
ಹಾ
+1 × 2 - 3 40.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು?
-6.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ತಪ್ಪಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. 18 ಬರಬೇಕು. 18. ಯಾವುದು ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಗ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾಗ?
ಸರ್ 18 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸರ್. 18
ಬಂತಾ?
ಹಾ ಬಂತು.
So are you able to follow?
Yes, sir.
So only carefully you have to do.
Yes.
Each one will become 4 determinants. Huh?
Yes.
Find the answer for each determinant. Then you substitute in the equation for delta, equation for delta x, delta y, and delta z.
Yes, sir.
So that means 4, 4, 4, 4. 16 times you have to do the thing. So this will give you a good practice.
Yes, sir.
Of expanding third order, second order, etc. And particularly here, since many places there are zeros, calculations are simpler.
Yes, sir.
Because it will become less work involved because of the zeros are there. If zeros are not there, then work will be little more.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Because addition, subtraction will be there.
Yes, sir.
See, for example, you take this problem also. You take this problem, 2u plus 3b.
One nimisha, sir.
But you have to complete that also. Huh?
Yeah.
After completing, then you can try this. This you can write down in another sheet of paper. After completing this, you can try that one.
Tell me, sir.
2u plus 3v, 2u plus 3v plus 4w plus z is equal to 9.
Yes, sir.
Then u minus 2v minus 3w minus 4z is equal to 11.
Yes, sir.
3u minus v minus 4w
Minus 2z is equal
minus 2z is equal to 3. Then 4u minus 3v minus 2w minus 3z equal to 17.
Yes, sir.
So after doing the previous problem, you can take this as a homework. But please sit and do it. It will take little time.
Yes, sir. Yes.
But
I will do
see, finally answer is right or wrong, you yourself will be able to check.
it. Yes, sir.
Because
Exactly.
when you write the answer, substitute there, you might get the answer. Equations, it might match. So
Yes,
that way you will be able to get idea of correctly
Yes.
how to multiply, subtract, add, etc. Taking care of the plus minus sign. The formula,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
formula whatever contains minus plus, you have to write. Plus
Yes, sir.
numbers if they are negative, put them in bracket so that later on you can simplify. Otherwise you will miss a sign and you will not get the answer.
Yes.
So here answer whether it is right or wrong, you can check by substituting the equation. If it matches, that means what you have done is correct only.
Okay.
So can you practice all this and do that other work also?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
The background music I have put, is it useful or I will remove that one?
Sir, if you want, you can keep it, sir. No problem.
Ella, how do you feel?
ನನಗೆ ಯಾ ಸರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇರ್ಲಿ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಗುಡ್.
But what we are talking, it is not disturbing, you know.
No.
So I thought because there is some gap in between, you know, you are not speaking and I will not be speaking. So I thought, shall we do something like this? So I made a trial.
Yes, sir.
So
No
therefore,
problem.
that indicates something is happening is there.
Yes, sir.
And you might whatever tell orally so that I will know what you are multiplying or subtracting, you know, so that that minus wherever you miss, I can tell you like that.
Yes,
And,
sir. Yes, sir.
and once you become familiar, you will not make mistakes.
Yes, sir.
Beginning only, because this is a new method of multiplication, addition, subtraction you are doing. So therefore, you have to very carefully do it. Plus minus importance you have to give. That is very, very important.
Yes, sir.
If that is there, answers will come and you can verify yourself. If
Yes, sir.
at the end, if answers you cannot substitute, get the answer, that means some mistake is there. So
Yes,
if it is there, you cannot repair. It will be taking more time to check. So what you have to do is throw away those papers, do it fresh again from the beginning, so that you will get the item and answer correctly and faster
Okay.
also.
Okay.
Otherwise, anything repairing will take lot of time.
Yes,
Making a new one is very easy. That is why many items also, practical items also, instead
Yes,
of
sir.
repairing, we'll throw away the one which is not working and you can buy a new one. That will be cheaper
Yes, sir. Yes.
and it is immediate also. So
Yes, sir.
here also, if you make mistakes, searching for mistakes will be very difficult.
Yes, sir.
Rather, it will take more time, that's all. So instead of that, freshly you have to do. That is why from beginning I am telling, answer everything in white sheet of paper, sir. Not necessary to write it once in a book and forget about it.
Yes, sir.
When it comes right, it is fine. Otherwise, throw away those paper and do it again separately.
Yes,
If
sir.
you do 3-4 times like that, you know, then all operations will be in your mind. Next time you will not make mistakes.
Yes, sir. Exactly.
So that is what you have to do. Otherwise, in examination, if you do like this, then finally they will see the final answer only. So if it is not matching, you will not get the marks.
Yes,
So
sir.
that is what happens. So
Okay.
please practice all these things. We will continue tomorrow, and you give me whether you got the answers or not.
Yeah, okay.
And alala, after working tomorrow.
Sure.
And I will also work several times to check whether it is right or wrong, because both of us would get the same answer for the
Yes,
same
sir,
problem. So that is why
Yes, sir.
I will also work not once but 2-3 times to check whether the calculations are right. You also please
Yes,
work
sir. Yes.
and check the answers. Tomorrow we will see whether it is correct, it is fine. Then we will go to next chapter. So next chapter requires
Yes.
all these items. All this we have to learn for matrix. So therefore I am giving this in advance. Otherwise, they will take first matrix, then they will do this. This is to be done first, so that
Yes, sir.
this expansion of determinants is known to you. Then it becomes easy to understand the matrices,
Yes, sir.
where too many varieties will be there. So that is why
Yes, sir. Yes.
first I am giving this one. So please practice and do not waste time.
Yes.
Whenever you find time, you keep on reworking, so that you have to become very much familiar with addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, taking care of the plus minus signs, etc. That unless you do, it will not be possible to do anything further, because if plus minus signs are not given importance, then what happens? Well, the answers what you get will not be right.
Yes, sir.
So, and this topic here, the equations what we are giving, it is helpful for checking whether your answer is right or wrong.
Yes, sir.
But once whatever the final answer comes for u, v, w, z, you substitute in these equations, you should get the answer in the right hand side.
Yes, sir.
So that once that is done, you yourself know what you have done is right.
Yes, sir.
So please do that one. Then we can continue tomorrow.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.